Today we're gonna make some whipped cream. What we got in stock here is we got some maple syrup, some vanilla, and we're gonna use this heavy whipping cream. So we're gonna dump that in here. I'm gonna tell you exactly how long you gotta keep it at each speed. Pretty much, you start off slow, then you go fast, and then you want it to stick to this thing, and then you know it's done. You don't wanna go too far because otherwise it turns into butter. It would be really sweet butter though. Anyhow, here we go. We're first gonna add this whole thing, 1 quart. It's gonna make a lot because our second step is to make a cake, but let's get started here. So to get started, we're gonna dump the whole thing right in there. Okay, good to the last drop. Okay, then I added a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Although it's not all coming out, so I kind of feel like I should add more. We'll get to that. Then you got vanilla. Depending on how much you like vanilla flavor in your whipped cream, I'd say it's a tablespoon. But since I'm not using a tablespoon, we're gonna use a little more. You see how that interacts with the milk? Okay, here we go. So we're gonna pull the handle up. We've moved it into place. We're gonna start off slow here. Number 2. Get this going. We look through the little hole here. So I got the splash guard on, but we're gonna go for like a minute like this, just to thicken it up a little bit. Okay, next we're gonna move it on up because that's taking too much time. Well, see, those are the splashes they're talking about. You see they're coming out. Okay, so we moved it to 4. Keep thickening. Looking thicker. Let's hit 5. Here we go. It's sticking to the walls. You see that? Getting thick. Let's take a look. It's been 3 minutes. It's still looking a little soupy. You can tell because when you pull this off, only a little sticks to it. I think we could go a little more. We'll move it to 3. Just look at it, it's pretty thick. I think that's good. It's gonna turn into butter if we go anymore. So let's taste it. It's literally 3 minutes and 45 seconds from when we started. Look at that, that's gonna go in my mouth. That is delicious. Look, now it's gone. Okay, that's all you gotta do.